Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. Welcome to Earn in Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a working Payoneer account here in Nigeria. But the first step you need to do is to make sure that after creating your Payoneer account, you have what you can use to verify your Payoneer account, either your national identity card, your passport, and your proof of your address, and that is what you can use to verify it, or your photos card, driving license. These are what you can use to verify your Payoneer account after creating it. So let's go to where we can create our Payoneer account. So if you come to this place now, you can see, let me type it again. You're just going to type Payoneer. So I want to show you, I'm going to do the step here. Payoneer. Can see now that the first page, you can see that it said sign up and earn $25. Can see. So here is, if you sign up, this, let's click on this. Can see now that you can see now when it's brought you to this page, you can see after receiving your 1000 USSD or equivalent, you and your referral will both get 25 USSD. That means that after you make a payment of $1000 to this your Payoneer account, you are going to get 25 USSD. Can see now that then you are going to click on get started. Can see how do you pay and get paid globally. Someone you know or work with thinks you could benefit from having a Payoneer account and give you their referral link. Okay, so we are going to click here get started. You can see now we are going to click get started. You can see now I've already created this account before. I'm just going to show you how it look like. So I'm going to, can see now that we are going to create, can see, choose the right Payoneer account type for your business need. You can see freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, individual. If you fall into the category of freelancer, like you work on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer, you can choose this. If you are, maybe you have a shop online website that you are selling to people online, you can choose online seller. And you are maybe you are promoting affiliate market, you are affiliate marketers, can choose this. And if you are an individual that maybe you work on your own personally, you can choose individual. So I'm going to choose freelancer. You can choose anyone. Let me, okay, because I'm a individual. If you choose individual, you are a business too. It's not personal Payoneer. So if you choose any of these is business account, so don't, there's no need to worry about. You can see, just click on anyone that fits in for your category. You can see get the full power of, can see, choose the right Payoneer account type for your business need, send and receive money between friend and family, order a prepaid card, get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive. You can see. So you are going to, I think the first option is the best for me. I'm going to click on that. Then you can see the right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider, getting paid by clients or fair marketplace. You can see register, Fiverr, get image, and more. You can see now. Then you are going to click on that. So you just follow the step here to create your own Payoneer account. So you can see, so it is individual. If you are a company, you can click on company. So this is my field. Please fill in the fields in correct in English characters only, your name. So I'm going to type my name. You can see I'm going to type my name. You can see Samuel. I'm going to type my name, my last name, Awuyemi, my email address, my email address. And see, I'm going to, okay, let me click on this one, enter email address. So I'm going to enter that my date of birth. Then you are going to select this. Then you can see, you can click on that 2024 to so that it will be faster. Then just click on your account and you are going to click OK. The February, the days are set. You can see there, you can see now that you are going to click on next. Hello guys, after you have finished all this place, you have filled your first name, your last name, your email address, and after you have enter your email address and date of birth, you are going to click on, you can see this step 1 of 4. You are going to click on next. You can see now, you can see that, you can see it. Then you are going to click, you can see that Nigerian, you can see now. So after you have filled the country, street and address, city or town, your postal code and your phone number, then you are going to click on send code. They are going to send us code. You can see now. So they are going to send us code. They are going to send us code. So while we are waiting, so they have sent off a code. I'm going to go to that and copy and paste it. So if they haven't sent you a code within the request time, so they are going to click on send again. So by the second time they are going to send you your code. You are just going to enter it. You can see you are going to click on next. You can see now you are just going to click on that. You can see then you are going to enter your password or enter your password, security question and security answer. So all this will just help you to strengthen your account in case maybe somebody wants to log into your account without your permission. So they are going to request this if no person wants to log into your account. So you can see now Nigerian national identity, national ID number. So you are just going to select the one you can see national ID, driver license, passport. You can see. So I only have national identity card now. For now, I don't have my driving license or passport. So just type your ID 11 ID number here and click on next. So the step 4 is going to be about your business question. So they are going to ask you about the business, what do you want to use the business for, and that's how they are going to verify your Payoneer account. So I'm just going to log into my Payoneer. So I'm just going to log in. You can see now. Just click on this. After this, you are just going to click next. Just let me log into my Payoneer account for now. You are going to log in. I'm just going to show you after you have go ahead and created your Payoneer account. So this is how your Payoneer account is going to look like. You can see this is the menu icon. You can see now that home, gets paid, Payoneer card, withdraw and transfer, account activity, back account, business network, settings, sign out. So this is how your name created Payoneer account is going to look like. This is your profile. You can see now that this is my profile. This is your USSD, your euro and your pounds. So this is how your Payoneer account is going to look like. And happy new year to everyone. My name is Samuel Awuyemi. If you want to watch my other video on how you can verify your Payoneer account, so click on that now, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.